Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just picked up the new iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max and you're serious about keeping that premium triple camera array spotless, you're in the right place. Today, we're going through the top 5 camera lens protectors specifically for the 17 Pro series. We'll look at how they perform in real use, how easy they are to install and to keep lens clarity intact, plus what to watch out for before you buy. Stick around till the end where I'll drop the direct links in the description so you can pick the right one for your phone. Let's dive in. 5. YWXTW iPhone 17 Pro 17 Pro Max Upgrade. Your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera protection. Introducing the YWXTW Upgraded Camera Guard. Precision designed exclusively for the iPhone 17 Pro Max and 17 Pro. Crafted with 2025's latest aviation-grade metal and 9H tempered sapphire glass, this lens protector offers aviation-level durability and crystal-clear transparency. With 12-layer electroplated shockproof glass, it resists even the toughest drops and scratches, keeping your camera flawless and fingerprint-free thanks to our 3rd-gen oleophobic tech. Enjoy lossless photography with 99% light transmittance and no glare, even in night shots. Plus, the one-step installation makes setup effortless. All 3 lenses align perfectly in seconds. Available in multiple colors to match your iPhone's style and case-friendly design, this protector looks invisible, yet delivers maximum protection. And with every purchase, you're contributing to a climate-friendly future by helping reduce carbon emissions. Uyiton 17 Pro Max Blue 2025 New Upgraded Protection by Uyiton. Introducing the all-new Uyiton iPhone 17 Pro Max Camera Lens Protector, upgraded for next-level clarity, strength, and precision. Crafted with a premium aluminum alloy frame and electroplated sapphire AF film, this integrated protector redefines durability while keeping your shots crystal clear. The AR anti-reflection sapphire glass ensures original image quality with zero glare, perfect for flawless photos and videos, even with flash. Designed for a one-to-one perfect fit, it adds only 0.15 millimeters thickness, blending seamlessly with your iPhone's lens for a factory-original feel. The nano-waterproof adhesive ensures it stays firmly in place, resisting drops and scratches with ease. Installation is effortless with our guided video, and Uyiton offers lifetime customer support for total peace of mind. Upgrade your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera protection today, because your photos deserve the best. 3. ESR iPhone 17 Pro. Protect your iPhone's camera with the ultimate lens protector, designed exclusively for iPhone 17 Pro Max, 17 Pro, 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro. Crafted from ultra-tempered glass that withstands up to 110 pounds of impact, this protector keeps your lenses safe from scratches, drops, and daily wear. Enjoy crystal-clear photos with its ultra-high transparency and individual lens design that ensures your flash stays bright and distortion-free. The easy installation kit includes an alignment guide and cleaning tools for a perfect bubble-free fit, plus a removal tool for hassle-free replacement. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: lens protectors, cleaning kit, guide, removal tool, and manual. With detailed setup videos, a 12-month warranty, lifetime support, and personalized customer care, this is the complete protection your iPhone camera deserves. 2. Ailun iPhone 17 Pro Max Ultimate Protection for your iPhone 17 Pro Max 6.9-inch 2025. Keep your camera safe and your photos crystal clear with this premium camera lens protector, designed exclusively for the iPhone 17 Pro Max 6.9-inch 2025. This 0.1mm ultra-thin, precise laser-cut tempered glass offers maximum protection from scratches, scrapes, and bumps, without affecting camera quality. Featuring 99.99% high-definition clarity and a hydrophobic, oleophobic coating, it resists fingerprints, sweat, and smudges for a flawless look. Night shooting function. Thanks to advanced seamless AR integration technology, enjoy clear, distortion-free night photos and videos. No flash reflection or blur. 1. Ailun iPhone 17 Pro Max. Protect your brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max 6.9-inch with the ultimate 3-3-pack screen and camera lens protector set, designed for those who demand style, clarity, and flawless performance. This premium kit includes 3 tempered glass screen protectors and 3 camera lens protectors, complete with an easy installation frame for perfect alignment every time. Engineered to fit the iPhone 17 Pro Max's rounded edge display, it offers full coverage without interfering with your favorite phone case. The advanced night shooting lens protector ensures crystal clear photos and videos, even with the flash on, thanks to its innovative AR seamless technology. Made from ultra-thin 0.33mm laser-cut tempered glass, it preserves your screen's original sensitivity and brilliance while guarding against scratches, drops, and smudges. With 99.99% HD clarity, oleophobic coating, and bubble-free installation, this protector set keeps your iPhone looking brand new. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best camera lens protectors for the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Each of these protectors offers excellent clarity, durability, and peace of mind. No more worrying about scratches or cracks on your expensive lenses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome product reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next upload. All the product links mentioned in this video are available down in the description box below, so go check them out if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.